Hey friends,
I'm Mike.
and I'm Karen, and we are the Basket.
We just bought this small farm and we are going to make it into our dream home.
Our forever home. We hope that you guys will like, subscribe, follow, ring the notification bell so you get weekly updates on our vlog. So join us as we begin flipping the farm.
Hey guys, this is Mike, obviously, and I am here at the farm back from being at my mom's house. It's Saturday, about noon. I am about to, let me flip the screen around for you here and I'll keep talking. Start taking down these 4x8 panels, these wooden panels.
So we knew that there had been animals living in the house at one point in time, but when Mike got up in the attic and started knocking these boards out, oh my wow, he made a disgustingly gross discovery. And yes, he is wearing mask and gloves and being pretty cautious because, well, I'm just going to let him tell you here.
I guess probably a bunch of raccoons. Who knows what else has been living up there, but poop for days. As you can see kind of behind me, up above my head, right about there, there's some OSB board that's blocking. So I'm going to get all those down.
Started pulling these off. As you can see, it just shows the former pitch of the roof. And then we get into all kinds of exciting things.
Oh my goodness, guys, this stuff is literally everywhere. And trust me, lots of bleaching and disinfecting is going to be happening very, very soon.
All right, guys, just showing you what it looks like a little bit more cleaned up. Got it all out of there, all the extra yucky junk.
Hey, it's Monday, and we just went by the farm and did some measuring, windows, doors, double checking ourselves. Yeah.
Measure twice, buy once.
Yeah, but we are on our way to a little town here in Oklahoma called Pryor, to a place called KLA Mart. This was recommended to us by some friends from church, so we're gonna go over there and check out their windows and doors. Apparently they have really great stuff, so we're just gonna go see if we can find what we need there and save a little moolah. Looky what we got. We're so excited. We came back today because we went and priced doors elsewhere, and this was obviously a steal. So we are really excited about our new door.
Clay, or KLA, here in Pryor, Oklahoma, and they have overstock prices. You can't beat this. I mean, there's no way. So
yeah, Clay Mart.
If you're in Oklahoma or anywhere near it, you need to come shop here. Clay will take care of it.
Hey Mike, what are we gonna do today?
What are we gonna do today? We're gonna burn. What do we do?
What do we do every day?
Not every day, but yeah, we do a lot of burning.
Look at this. So much cleanup happening. We haven't got to be here in a few days, so we're really excited about this. I know we use that word a lot, excited, but guess what? We're excited. It really feels like we haven't been out here in forever, and it has been a couple of weeks, but you know, we just have to deal with life circumstances sometimes, you know, the situation with Mike's mom, and then the funness of keeping our sweet little grandbaby. That was absolutely amazing and a first for us, so we will definitely never turn down an opportunity like that. You guys, look at this. This may make you cringe, but this makes me want to sing and dance. You guys, this is so exciting to see this cleaned out. The previous owner had a crew here today, and I may flash some pictures on the screen real quick of what this looked like before. But this is so exciting. Again, I could literally jump for joy right now because, oh, this was like a dark cloud hanging over our heads, thinking about possibly having to clear this out ourselves. But he took care of it. And yeah, so there's that. He's having this all hauled off. So I am going to show you this as well. They cleaned almost all of this up, but there was a large pile here. And yeah, they got all of that stuff, and they're not done yet, but we're really happy to see this getting cleared out. Not even sure if I've shown you all of this yet, but just so much potential here at this place. Snagged us some fun little Adirondack chairs out of the trash pile. Those are going to be our watch the sun go down chairs. Have to hose them off though. And Mike's working on some supports to start building wall. We also went ahead and made a quick run to Lowe's this afternoon to grab some wood. Holy cow, prices are so stinking ridiculous right now, as you all know. So yeah, that'll be on hand so we can get started with those walls tomorrow. It's a new day. You know, we got our load of lumber yesterday, and yikes, that about broke the bank for just 2 walls. Literally a ridiculous amount of money. But we knew going into this, that's how it was going to be. So it is what it is. We got this wall up. It's, you know, Mike gets a little frustrated because, you know, things are crooked and unlevel and this and that. But the way we were doing this, one by one, stud by stud, just, it makes it so much easier. You know, a lot of people would just be building the whole wall and then lifting it and putting it in place. We can't do that just because of some issues we've encountered, but it's not a big deal. It's all going to be wonderful and great. And our spare room is just coming together here, as you can see. I just really love stepping back and taking a look at it all. It just really starts to come together whenever you do this. It's already just looking so much bigger. You know, I mentioned earlier, this is the spare room. It's kind of the multi-purpose room, grandkids room, just an extra area for us because, you know, we're downsizing significantly. So we're trying to utilize every inch of space in this place. All right, so before we went too much farther, we decided we needed to go ahead and start power washing and getting rid of some of the nasty smell and cleaning up some of the gross, disgusting animal feces that we had shown you earlier. So that's what he's doing here. He is washing off rafters and just getting that cleaned up.
What are you doing? What are you doing there, babe? You better watch it. That's your phone.
Power wash.
That's your phone. She's trying to power wash me, people.
I can't talk while I'm doing this.
Why?
Because this is loud.
Well, hang on. I'm going to tell everybody what's going on.
Okay.
That's my wife. Yet until she's been acting really mean to me today. So see, she's trying to shoot me with water. She would shoot me with that if I didn't have my phone or her phone.
My phone.
Okay, so we're power washing this area before we finish getting the other wall up. I just cleaned all the top part where there was lots of little leftover yuckies. Oh, she videoed me. So here we go. I'm gonna let her go and I'm just gonna be quiet.
Because this area had been open for so long, the Longhorns and the horse that are currently on the property had been going to the bathroom in here too. So yeah. I figured also while I had the power washer out, I'd give these little chairs a bath, and oh my goodness, they're like good as new, and they're going to serve their purpose right there on the front porch for us for a while. Trash to treasure chairs so we can watch the sun go down. I decided I better go back and help Mike put this other plate in, top plate, and then we put in a bottom plate as well and a couple of supports so that tomorrow when we go back over we can get started putting those studs in for that wall. Oh, look at him all proud of that wall. I really love it whenever he gets to build and do things that he just really enjoys doing. All right, and so the Longhorns that you've been seeing in the vlog each week are going away tomorrow. I'm kind of sad. I've actually grown a little bit attached to them, but here's just a few pics for your viewing pleasure. And we're just going to give you a little bit of a recap, even though you just watched it.
Well, Monday was go to Pryor and grab a door.
Front door. It's going right here. It's going to be super cool.
And then we also did a lot of, I mean, you saw that, more burning, just cleared a lot of that out, and that really helped a bunch. And the garage/shop is now almost completely cleared out, and that was a huge deal.
Yeah.
And today we got a wall built. Well, there was a wall there. You guys probably saw it. I mean, it wasn't well built, but I wanted to build it really, really well, obviously, and try and plumb it up and get it straight. And we would have got the other side done today, but we had, not only did the plumber come by, but a really good friend of ours who does a lot of handy work. You'll meet him later on in the videos. Yeah, we're excited.
It's been a good week. Lots done.
Gonna sit here on the front porch in our, what do you call these chairs?
Adirondack.
Yeah, those A chairs.
I don't know how you say
those
it.
A chairs. She cleaned them all up. That's the other thing. Karen did a bunch of
Power washing.
Cleaned up more stuff in the ceiling and above that was pretty nasty. We used the power washer there too, and got some of that nasty smell out of there. So man, just little bits at a bit makes us feel like we did a little bit more this week than we have in the past.
Yep. And by the way, I want to tell you really quickly, last week a lot of you were asking about Mike's mom, and we really appreciate that and all the prayers. She's
Absolutely.
doing so much better. So thank you for that.
Yeah. God bless you. Hope you have a great week, and we will see you next time.
Here's a little bit of our silliness for you. Guys, we really do hope that you're enjoying our Flipping the Farm vlog, and we're just really excited to have you on the journey with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we would absolutely love it if you shared our vlog with your friends and family. Thanks again for watching. Have a great weekend.